Game 2. So you guys sided?
Yeah.
Okay, so sided.
Yeah, we ready.
Okay, we're gonna show you the side a bit, but that's off right now. Yeah. It's like to move it lower so they can see your hand and move it like to here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, like a pro set right there. Pro set.
Oh my goodness! You know what he just did? It's said a magician.
It can't possibly be a magician.
It can't be not a magician. What is it?
What's a pro
He
rat?
set the hunter.
Set the hunter.
He set the hunter.
No, set the rabbit.
He set 2 rabbits. Go ahead.
This guy over here.
Oh.
Whoa.
Second rabbit.
Whoa.
Ain't nothing wrong with setting rabbits. Go.
Yeah. Oh. Skada.
Oh, the duality.
Skada.
I'll get that foolish fight.
I'll get the duality.
Oh.
Ooh.
Somebody's got a hornet.
Somebody's got 2 hornets. Okay.
Someone got 5 hornets. It's a hand of hornets. He decided in 2 more hornets.
Go ahead.
Oh. Draw. Alright. Let's make somewhat of a push here.
There's no pushes allowed. What are you doing?
Summon.
Oh no. Yeah.
Activate effect.
Sure.
Woo.
Buzz.
Dang, one of those is a Sangan? Or maybe you just got it. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, look, it's good. Let me read this card first.
Reading Rainbow.
Oh. I know what you're talking about. You're thinking of.
Activate.
And it doesn't work.
Being tossed. I'd like to chain.
Yeah, they're cool.
Chain.
It's good.
Just gonna bring both out. Save us both sometime.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
You gonna do what now? Bring both out? Oh yeah, go ahead, man. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
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 That's good, right? Yeah. A judge. He brought 2 monsters with Zen Mighty. It's not allowed.
Return priority to hunter. Activate.
This might be a horrible misplay, but this is a heavy test play, so go ahead and activate it. Use your priority.
Okay.
There's your tribute.
Get to look at the hand.
Get to work at the hand.
Yeah.
The creepy fingers.
Can I-
Yeah, look like that.
Plus
Whoa.
activates.
Yeah, it's fine.
Get some money.
See.
Oh my jeebus. Okay. That just happened.
That's pretty funny.
Was the one card he wouldn't.
I ain't gonna lie, that's not what I expected. Just look at the body.
Crazy.
Whoa.
Wow, you just have everything, don't you?
D.D. Crow.
That's good.
Hey, come back.
It's Uber. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I feel like one of those comments gonna be like, "Oh, you misplayed in 14.6 minutes. Should have done this. And you're not allowed to bring out 2 monsters or somebody."
Get the hunter.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's fine.
Activate hunter.
It's so hurt.
Send back the Zemedi. The thing never dies. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's supposed
Yeah.
to send that the first time, but he luckily hit the crow out of 6. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to be able to stop that push with the Veiler and then be able to crow when he goes for the rat. But no. He hit the crow.
Activate.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Activate.
Good. It's good in my head anyway.
That's in defense.
Did you judge?
Judge.
Judge. It's an attack mode. Yeah.
My other hornet.
My other hornet.
Man,
I
you
can't even summon that thing later on and be like, ooh.
Can't even be 1K beater. How many rats you used so far?
Dos.
Dos rats?
Dos rats. Dos rats. Yes.
Sure.
I'm thinking I'm gonna play 2 hunters. Like the more I play this deck, the more I'm like, 2 hunters are good sometimes.
Because if you had the Veiler in that play, he could just bring out the other hunter and still go for loot
Oh.
in that exact play.
Oh, there it is.
Bam! Alright.
Wow.
That's good.
The mystery card has been reviewed.
It's a rat.
It's a rat.
It's a rat.
Dang. This dude is grimy.
My duality. I duality for that duality.
Dang.
This guy is gonna pro play me.
Mirror Force.
Have a torrential set. After all that, he's like, yeah, no,
What'd you active earlier? It's pointless, man. Not trolly enough.
I didn't want to save my hand. I just want to activate a torrential.
That's what I'm saying.
And nothing
Why
wrong
did you
with
have that 2-card advantage over me after you looped my whole hand?
it. You're right. You're right. I'm in a Yuki moment right now. Does he have Dark Hole or does he not have Dark
Does
Hole?
he have Dark Hole?
We'll watch him have Dark Hole.
So let's clarify that you leveled us up, because right now it looks like you're either making a Roach or a Utopia.
You're right. Level up, level up.
Okay.
Why'd you make it Idris?
Activate. Oh, wait, it's face up.
Face up. Slow
You're right.
tries.
It's okay. Attack.
Yep.
Attack.
That's good.
Attack.
That's double good.
So many goods.
So many goods.
Minus 30 and minus 26.
So that's a
But you're at 24.
that's a misplay right there.
Yeah.
Here's a misplay. Go.
Oh, that's
Draw. Dark Hole misplay.
Draw.
Well, yeah, if he's got Dark Hole, it's a misplay. But I'm good.
Good.
Draw. I think this would be the one time I want to blind MST.
That one. I want that one. Oh, damn.
Wrong one.
You know what? I do like blind MST. Attack forget?
Tier 10
What am I
MST.
at?
You're at 24.
Oh, it's not yet.
You're right. Redeclare attack.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Wait. Hold on. Let me see if I want to do something else. Let me see.
Oh, yeah, you think about it.
Upon
Oh.
declaration, I activate rule decree. Is that okay? Is that alright?
I would like to check Phoenix Chain.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Alright.
Okay, so it dies.
Yeah, it dies.
The
Take it.
call on it stays. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Game 3.
Alright, we're gonna go games 3. That was windups going off. And then like misplaying at the end. Yeah.
Test it.
Test that.